Cradle.
The soldier's bed.
Candles.
Cradle again, but upside down.
Soldier's bed again.
The cat's eye.
Fish in a dish.
Now from here, if you want to continue the game, you pinch the X's and go down. And that'll take you back into
Soldier's bed.
and then into candles.
Cradle upside down again. And to soldier's bed.
Back into the cat's eye.
And to fish in a dish.
And now, if you want to end the game, pinches the X's again, but this time come up through the middle,
Upside down cradle.
into what we think is the clock. Because we're not really sure how to make the clock.